Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Zapier chatbot transcripts with over 7,000 apps in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless workflow automation set up that can save you hours every week. First, open your browser and head over to Zapier. This platform is incredibly versatile, letting you connect apps and automate processes effortlessly. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button at the top right and sign in. Using your Google account is the fastest and most secure way to get started. Once you're in, you'll land on the Zapier home screen. Here, everything starts with creating a new Zap, which is basically the bridge that links your chatbot to other apps. Click on Create, then select Zaps to begin your automation. Now, let's set up the trigger. A trigger is an event that starts the automation. Search for chatbots and select it. Then choose Conversation Completed as your event. This ensures that every time a chatbot conversation ends, your automation kicks in. Don't forget to test it to make sure everything is connected properly. Next, define the action that should happen after the trigger. Click on Action and select Tables if you want to manage data efficiently. Then choose Create Record. This captures the completed chatbot conversation and stores it in your database or preferred app. Run another test to confirm everything works smoothly. Want to take it a step further? Add another action by clicking the plus sign. Search for Slack, select Send Channel Message, and connect your Slack account. This will send a notification to your chosen Slack channel every time a chatbot conversation finishes. Test this setup too, just to be safe. Finally, hit Publish. Once published, your Zap goes live, automating your workflow and linking your chatbot transcripts with thousands of apps without any manual effort. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've set up a powerful automation that saves time, keeps your data organized, and makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. Go ahead, explore more apps, and see how much smoother your workflow can be. Happy automating!